Hello everybody, my name is Logan. I'm a new YouTuber I'm new at this YouTube stuff. I'm trying to make the best of it.
I'm gonna make like a best.
I don't remember if I said my name, but it's Logan. This is my cousin Brooklyn. This is my grandma's kitchen. You know, I don't want to look like a absolute nerd, and I don't want to look like I don't know what I'm doing or trying too hard. Apology on my last video, my first ever video, because it didn't have sound. It's because I was wearing my headphones, and I didn't notice that if you're wearing headphones when you're doing a video, it doesn't record any sound. So this is basically my first ever official video. So
What did you say?
Look and say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna skate in the grown-up skate.
Cool.
In the
Cool.
house.
Cool. You know probably about, I don't know how many people are gonna watch this, but this is gonna be on the internet, right?
I guess.
Even though I'm extremely nervous about this, but the only thing why I'm not so nervous is because I'm kind of not doing any live stuff as an actual live. I'm just doing this on my camera, then uploading it, so I'm not really that shy.
You can see I now skated in grown-up.
I almost forgot to say, my last name is Hilton.
Hilton, what is a Hilton mean?
It's my last name.
Well, I don't even got a nickname. Someone give me a nickname.
My nickname.
At the end of the video, you gotta say, please leave comments, subscribe, and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely have to.
Yeah.
That.
I don't know if you noticed, but I think we're trying a little bit too hard to make this interesting.
Yeah, we kind of want to be rock stars. Well, he doesn't, but I do. I want to be famous.
Yeah, she is weird. Well, this is
I still got a blanket.
This is the end of my first ever official video.
Wait. Wait, face the camera at me. Please comment down below and subscribe, and that's all. Bye.
If you check out my first ever video, and the tags and the description and everything, the description says nothing on my other one, and it actually says nothing, and yeah, that's it. Don't hate on my last video if it didn't have any sound. Before I end this video, take a look. Yeah, I am trying way too hard. Well,
Wait, don't. Please look down below. Look, I'm really skating.
oh, I thought you meant comment. Ooh, well, trying too hard. There we go. Well, seriously, this time, this is the end of my second video, I guess. Peace.
Peace out.